For some reason, I believe that I'm cursed by the coding gods of the world, whoever they are, because for me, the errors that I get in my programs, whatever I build, just are absolutely insolvable and completely unreasonable and super difficult and super stupid, right? So what am I talking about? A few days ago, I had a person sign up to my platform, Stellar AI, and okay, everything was supposed to go fine, but they got an error. They got an email verification code error. The automated system wouldn't be able to send that code. There was an error sending the code. And so I'm like, why would this ever be a problem? I've built this sign-up system and I forgot about it months ago. I've tested it many times, thousands of times. People have signed up successfully and everything was fine. So like, what is the problem? It's okay, I go check. Okay, what is the problem? I actually test it myself. I try to sign up and yeah, indeed, you cannot, like the code is not being sent. So I started inspecting the code to try to debug the issue. And then I go through each and every code file that I have, front end, back end, everything, and I do not know what the error is. So which is why I think I'm cursed to some extent, because these unreasonable, stupid errors somehow haunt me at every single stage. But regardless, so I cannot find the actual root cause of the problem. And I start digging through and I realize what the problem might be, which is probably Flask Socket.io. Like if you've ever used Flask Socket.io, you definitely know how difficult it is to manage with like sessions and session data and etc. And it's super, super annoying at times. And so I had to rewrite my entire code base from using Flask Socket.io, not the entire code base, but the entire sign-up system, from using Flask Socket.io to do the sign-up process to HTTP requests. Very annoying, right? And I'm on hour 3 of debugging. And when I complete it, when I test it, when I make sure that everything works for sending the code, when I confirm that I can send the code, this stupid email verification code, then all of a sudden there's another error. After like you get the email verification, like the home page did not load. I'm sorry, okay, what the hell now? Like the home page is not loading. Like the HTML is physically refusing to load. And so I get these stupid errors, right? Because it worked at every point, at every other point in like history, it has worked. But now all of a sudden it doesn't work. And so, okay, I inspect the error again, and I managed to fix it later on. It was some stupid like JavaScript code error. But yeah, I genuinely think that to some extent that I'm cursed with some kind of crazy demon that does not want me to be able to properly code. I just get these stupid errors that set me back, and like for 6 hours or 5 hours I have to debug this stupid stuff that waste so much of my time. But yeah, that's how Stellar AI is going. And I've had these many of these errors before. I've had like a few months ago, there was something with, I was actually trying to set up Flask Socket.io. Many like, you know, website hosters don't actually support it. Many website hosters refuse to support this thing because it's just like so weird. There's something like ASGI based websites and non-ASGI based websites. And Flask Socket.io is something in the middle. So like immediately that doesn't make any sense. Something in the middle, like what are you talking about? And so the hosting provider that I used, I couldn't get it set up with, I couldn't get Flask Socket.io set up with it. And so, I mean, it was just such a headache. I had to like message their official, like their help support team. They were sending me the most useless stuff, like, oh, try it again, oh, try it again. And 6 hours later, I fixed the problem. But it's such a stupid issue that it just, my brain is just melting when I think like I'm wasting my time on these things, and it's just nuts. But yeah, that's how Stellar AI is going. This is Evolutionary AI day 13, right? 13 is an unlucky number in Hindu, I think, Hindu religion.